Hello everyone, in this video we will see AI versus developer. The many developers are worried about one big question today. Will AI replace .NET developer or is .NET still a safe career in the future? Let's understand the truth. If you are learning .NET or already working as a developer, this thought must have come to you in your mind. Should I change my career? Should I change my technology? Or should I continue with .NET? To understand this, we need to see how software is built. Software development has 5 main steps: requirement gathering, design and architecture, coding, testing, and deployment with monitoring. Now let's see how much work developers and AI will do each stage. In requirement gathering, developers involve 90% and AI only 10%. In design and architecture, developers should involve or use 80% and AI only 20%. But in coding, there are 50% of ratio. Means 50% work AI can do easily in coding and 50% work should depend on developers. In testing, almost 80% of work developers can do or tester can do and only 20% of work AI. As you can see, developers still do most of the work. AI mainly helps speed up this thing. So truth is simple. AI will not replace the developer. AI will replace developers who do not learn how to use AI. If you combine .NET with AI tools, your career can grow even faster.